What's the meaning of brink? Brink. Brink.
Brink. Brink. The word brink typically refers to the edge or verge of something, particularly an imminent situation. It can also connote a state of being on the cusp of a significant change or event. This term could describe a situation where someone is on the brink of a breakthrough in their career or on the brink of disaster in a relationship. In general, brink implies a sense of tension and anticipation, where the outcome of the situation is uncertain and could go either way. It often carries a sense of urgency and importance, highlighting the need for action or decision-making before a critical point is reached.